In coating painting services, the meticulous surface preparation task often serves as the unsung hero, laying the foundation for a flawless finish and enduring quality. In this video, we will delve into the intricacies of the painting coating process as it becomes evident that the success of a coating service is significantly influenced by how well the surface has been prepared. This process encompasses a broad spectrum of activities aimed at applying protective and decorative layers to various surfaces. Benefits of proper surface preparation. Surface preparation is the process of treating the surface of a material to enhance the adhesion of coatings that will be applied. This process involves the removal of old paint, rust, dirt, grease, or other contaminants that could interfere with the bond between the surface and the new coating. Tools and equipment for surface preparation. The tools and equipment used depend on the technique employed and the scale of the project, ranging from simple hand tools to sophisticated machinery. Abrasive blasters, pressure washers, chemical applicators, grinders, and sanders are among the group of tools at the disposal of professionals in the field. Professional coating painting services and surface preparation. Engaging professional coating painting services that prioritize surface preparation is essential for achieving optimal results. This brings a wealth of experience and knowledge, ensuring that the most effective preparation techniques are employed. By investing in proper surface preparation, we pave the way for coatings that not only enhance the appearance of surfaces but also extend their lifespan and functionality. If you are seeing this video for the first time, please click on the subscribe button for more video notifications. For questions or inquiries, feel free to visit us at gz-supplies.com or contact us on sales@gz-supplies.com. And don't forget to follow us on our social media handles on Instagram, GZ Industrial Supplies, and Facebook, GZ Industrial Supplies Nigeria.